We're Equitech, and this is VIRELIA, a community-powered accessibility app designed to help everyone navigate public spaces with confidence.
Let's do a quick introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Soha Khan, and I am a rising sophomore from Toronto.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sonia Khan, and I'm a rising 8th grader from Toronto. And now I'll pass it off to Faduma.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatima and I am going on to 10th grade in Toronto.
Hello, I am Pauline and I'm going on to 11th grade in St. Catharines.
We also have Zaria in our team, but she won't be able to join us today as she has another commitment. Imagine living in a world where your daily needs are invisible, where the places you go and the apps you use aren't designed for you.
That's reality for 1 in 5 people who live with a disability.
But their voices often go unheard.
We're here to change that. VIRELIA is built to amplify every voice because every story deserves to be seen and every voice deserves to be heard.
Potential problems with the solution. One issue with trying to fix disability inequality is that even though the goal is to create fairness, the solutions can be expensive and can take a long time to put in place. On top of that, many programs tend to focus on disabilities that are easy to see, which means people with hidden or less obvious disabilities can be left out and miss the support they need. This can make the inequality even worse because not everyone benefits equally from the programs that are supposed to help. A better approach would be to make sure that there are steady, reliable funding for these initiatives that they are designed to include all types of disabilities. By doing this, programs can reach everyone who needs help, making the solution more effective and fair for all.
Anyways, every part of VIRELIA is designed with purpose, from mapping local accessibility challenges to providing a platform for petitions and updates. We also added a dark mode because accessibility isn't just about features, it's about making the experience comfortable for everyone anytime. In addition to this, we also have a badge system for people who are advocating in their community.
Introducing VIRELIA, your accessibility companion. VIRELIA is designed to empower individuals with disabilities by making public spaces more inclusive. Our app combines real-time user reports, helpful resources, and community-driven updates to create a more accessible environment for all. With VIRELIA, you can easily find accessible locations throughout Ontario with our interactive map, stay informed with a daily feed of tips and updates focused on accessibility, take action by signing petitions and creating them that push for real change in your community. To make it more engaging, we also wanted to include the ability to earn badges by contributing information and raising awareness with our petitions function. VIRELIA is more than just an app. It's a movement towards building a world where accessibility is a right, not a privilege.
We're proud of what we built together, a functional app that addresses real-world accessibility issues, a seamless dark mode for comfort, and a dynamic newsfeed to keep users informed. Beyond the code, we grew as a team, overcoming challenges and learning new skills and creating something meaningful.
It's a movement. By shining a light on accessibility issues on our own communities, we empower young people to take meaningful action. Every petition signed, every story shared, every barrier reported moves us closer to a world that's inclusive for everyone. Our app amplifies voices that are often unheard, builds awareness, and creates real change one step at a time. With VIRELIA, accessibility stops being invisible and starts becoming everyone's priority.
Now, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to see VIRELIA in action. Let's dive into our app demo. So first is the homepage, which I've been able to create, built with Python and Tinkerter to support accessibility and inclusion. We use functions like build_UI and build_news feed to keep the code clean and organized, as well as adding a dark mode toggle using a simple toggle_theme function that switches between two theme dictionaries. The scrollable newsfeed shows local updates in accessible card layouts with clear fonts and vibrant colors. Everyone's designed to have easy and allow navigation to be easy and able to read for all. And now I'll pass it on to Fadumo for the map.
For our map, I decided to put the coordinates on Toronto. And for our map, the idea is to highlight like community centers and areas that are more accessible for people with disabilities. And it's scrollable and you can zoom in and out as well.
Next is Pauline with her petitions page.
And this starts our petitions page where you can advocate for local inequalities and you can make your own petitions for things that you see in your community that you want to change. As you can see,
Something we also added to the petitions is the create a petition slide. So you can add a title, for example, plant more trees, and you can answer or add details. And once you submit it, you can provide a title and detail as well. Now we'll be moving on to the badges. So here's our badges information slide where you can have a daily tip that says check the petitions page for local issues. We also have dark mode and light mode, and there's also a scrollable feature. And with our help page, we also have the night mode and light mode. And if you press on a question that you are wanting to get answered, you can open it and there's an expandable information site where you can have your question answered. And now here's our backend code. We added one class which all of the files would be included in, and we added multiple functions like title, geometry, and stage, and we were able to make our app very cohesive.
Conclusion. Communities need stronger tools to make real change possible. That's where VIRELIA comes in and gives people the power to take action and makes a difference in their own neighborhood and beyond. By using VIRELIA, individuals can contribute to building a future that is more inclusive and fair for everyone. The platform makes important issues easy to share, ensures they are visible to the right people, and turns ideas into actionable steps. So change doesn't just stay as an idea, it becomes something that actually happens.
We want to give a huge thank you to everyone who supported us throughout this journey. To Julia, our trainer, thank you for being our guide, our second brain, and the calm during our debugging storms. You never let us give up, and your support made this entire process smoother and more meaningful. To Doina, founder of Hervolution, thank you for creating this amazing initiative and giving us this valuable, memorable opportunity. To Team Equitech, thank you for your collaboration, creativity, and commitment. Together, we built something meaningful and worthwhile. And to everyone who believed in us, thank you for giving us the space and encouragement to create something that truly matters.
You really want to make me cry.
Thank you all for your time and effort and support. We're excited for what's next and hope VIRELIA makes a real difference. We would love any feedback on our app.